mind? Where's the man I used to know? Was the man who hurt my baby this poor man I am today? What did I do? Did I break her heart in two? Can't believe I hurt my baby. Where's the man I used to be? Last night I lost my mind and made you cry. Last night I said go find another guy. I'm sorry for hurting you. Please come home. I can't stand it here alone. And I'll never hurt you, baby. Without you, girl, I will die. And made you cry. Last night I said go find another guy. I need a chance to prove I'm still in love with you. I apologize. I'm sorry for her.